At RWS, we understand that time is of the essence. We've introduced a feature called Groups in Language Weaver that allows admins to set up user groups to be able to monitor usage and build enhanced reports at the click of a button. You just need to go to Groups and set up a group. IT, for instance, if you want to monitor all translations of the people in the IT department and then associate it to users. You can also remove a group from a user if the person changed departments. As soon as users are added to a group, their translation activity will be automatically recorded against the groups they belong to. You simply need to go to Reports, Custom Reports, and go to the Groups section, where you'll be able to see all translation activity of your groups. This feature is especially useful if the translation portal is used enterprise-wide or across several countries or departments, as it enables admins to monitor translations performed for each group, aggregate data for cross-charging purposes, monitor ROI, and forecast budget needs. So essentially, it equips the admins with the means to make better informed business decisions. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out to your RWS representative if you have any questions.